And video on.
चलो गल
make me co-host.
बे
Teacher.
नहीं हम ना देखो
ठीक है टीचर, are you there?
I'm there.
ठीक है टीचर.
I'm there. I'm there.
Just make me co-host now.
वीडियो के लिए
Co-host. Make me co-host.
Yes, yes. 1 minute, teacher.
मानुष्य के प्रांजल है ना तो फिर दिखाई
नहीं
सबका फेस कैम चालू था हाँ
चुप रहो
Kasli time this.
Pranjal, kindly rejoin again, Pranjal. Baban, Pranjal, kindly rejoin again. Yes, Suyog, what happened? You're raising your hand. Unmute yourself and tell me.
Unmute yourself, Suyog.
Yes, Soham, what happened? You're raising your hand, beta. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Any problem is there?
Rivka, what
Good
happened?
morning,
You have
teacher.
marked it.
Yes, Soham, just tell me what happened. Just check there. Any problem is there, just put it in chat. If you're having Prathamesh any problem, just put it in chat. You're not joined nicely. Go back and rejoin it again.
Yes,
Go back and
Prathamesh,
join
what
again,
happened? You're raising
Prathamesh.
your hand. Go back and join again. Yes, Ganesh, what happened? You're raising your hand.
Ganesh,
You can ask me in the chat box. What
good
happened?
morning. Nothing else.
For good morning, they're raising the hands. Who's this Galaxy J7 Max? Kindly rename yourself. Galaxy J7 Max, kindly rename yourself. Tab 1, who is this tab 1? Rename yourself. Ujjani, close your webcam. Arnav, close your webcam. Atharva, Arnav. Yes, Soam. Yes, good morning. Good morning, Soam. Okay, Archit. Galaxy J75, who is this Galaxy J75? Oppo A71. Kindly rename
Yourself. You
yourself.
don't know how to rename yourself, Galaxy J7 Prime. Teacher, leave it. We will put absent name.
Students, if you don't rename yourself, you will be marked absent in the lecture, okay? Oppo A71. Everybody off your webcam. आपका webcam कोई भी चालू नहीं करेगा. वीडियो का बटन बंद करो. Mahendra, off your webcam. Samruddhi, off your webcam. Sarvatnya, off your webcam. कैमरा बंद करो आपका. स्वरा, Kual, you rejoin again. Go back and rejoin again, Kual. Rudra, go back and rejoin again. Yes, Tanvi, what happened? You're raising your hand.
Mahendra, off your camera.
Soham, off your camera. Mahendra,
Teacher, you can start the lecture. Don't waste the time. We don't have time so much.
teacher, 15 minutes we have to wait now.
Then too, teacher, because it takes time.
First 15 minutes, ma'am yesterday said first 15 minutes we have to wait for the students to enter.
They can come. I am there. You can start.
Okay, okay.
Abhay Garud. God, Abhay God. You are from afternoon section, beta. This is A and B division.
Okay, good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Just put a good morning in your chat box, everyone. Those who are present. I hope you all are fit and fine, healthy. Yes, and enjoying your lockdown period. So, students, I welcome you all. It was a long gap. Yes, before your examinations was there, we have already started with our EVS 2 chapters. Yes, we have already started with the EVS 2. One video was remaining to show you. Before we start with the next chapter, I have told you that I will be showing you one video regarding the subject, the topic we are going to, that we have started. Yes, the history and the concept of the time we have already started. We have already finished with the topic, and I told you that I will be showing you the video, so it will be more easy for you to understand the topic. Okay, so I will show you the video. Carefully observe the video. That was the main important thing. It was remaining to show you, because everything was, all the explanation was remaining in that particular topic only. So I will show you the video. Carefully observe the video. Okay, then we will move further towards our next topic. Okay, so all are ready?
And tree and the concept of time. The points that we're going to learn is division of time and the timeline, measurement of time and methods of measuring time, historical periods, scientific methods of measuring time and establishing age, division of time and the timeline. Time is continuous, it doesn't wait for anyone. But for our convenience, we divide it into periods. For example, at sunrise, we say it is morning. Now the day has begun. At sunset, we say it is evening. And soon, at the end of the day, it becomes dark and it is night. This means that we divide the day into two parts, day and night. Our Earth rotates around its axis at a certain speed, and it also revolves around the Sun. The Sun has its own light, we receive light from the sun. However, we see light only in daytime. Nights are dark. So, how does this happen? As the Earth rotates around its axis, the part of its surface which turns towards the sun becomes bright. The part that moves away from the sun moves into darkness. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its own axis. These 24 hours are divided into 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night. A period of daytime and night together make one day. Children, can you all tell me how many days are there in a week? Yes, right. There are 7 days in a week, from Monday to Sunday. So, Monday to Sunday makes 1 week. 2 weeks make a fortnight. 4 weeks make a month. 12 months make a year. In this manner, we reckon time in bigger and bigger units. 1 year is followed by another. And when 100 years go by, a century is completed. When 10 centuries, that is, 1,000 years are gone, a millennium is completed. Such a method of dividing time is known as a unilinear division of time. Common Era, Christian Era. In the unilinear division of time, years that follow one after the other are arranged in serial order. In history books also, a chain of events that follow one after the other is presented in a linear and serial manner. For this, usually we refer to the Common Era, that is Christian Era, written in short as CE or AD, that is Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. The first 100 years, that is, the first century of this era, is written as 1 to 100 CE or 1 to 100 AD. The period of the first millennium of this era is written as 1 to 1000 CE or 1 to 1000 AD. Time before the Common or Christian Era. The period before the Common Era is known as the time before Common Era, that is in short BCE or before Christ, BC. The years of this period are counted and written in reverse order. The first century before the Common Era began at the year 100 BCE and ended with 1 BCE. Similarly, the first millennium before the Common Era began at the year 1000 BCE and ended with the year 1 BCE. So the first century before the Common Era indicated as 100 to 1 BCE, and the first millennium before the Common Era is indicated as 1000 to 1 BCE. Now, let us look at some examples. The lifetime of Vardhaman Mahavir is written as 599 BC to 527 BC. And the lifetime of Gautam Buddha is written as 563 BC to 483 BC. Now we will learn about measurement of time, and methods of measuring time. The following are the units of measuring time: seconds, minute, hour, day, week, fortnight, month, year, century, and millennium. 60 seconds is 1 minute. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 24 hours is 1 day. 7 day is 1 week. 2 weeks is 1 fortnight. 2 fortnight, 30 or 31 days is 1 month. 12 months is 1 year. 100 years is 1 century. 110 century is 1 millennium. All these are the units of measuring time. Of this, the common or Christian era is used widely for measuring time. Students, how we indicate a day? Particular day is indicated by writing the date of that day. The date consists of the serial number of that day followed by the date, month and year. The date, month and year are in serial order. For example, 28th May 2020, or it can also be written as 27/5/2020. Christian era began in memory of Jesus Christ. It is an age-old custom to start a new age to commemorate a special event. First, coronation of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj started Rajya Abhishek Shaka in 1674 to commemorate his coronation. Second, migration of Prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Medina started Hijri era. The Hijri era is the era used in the Islamic lunar calendar, which begins its count from Islamic New Year in 622 CE. Now the next is Shalivahan Shaka and Vikram Samvat are the most commonly used eras in India. The Satavahana king Shalivahana, sometimes identified as Gautamiputra Satakarni, is credited with the initiation of the era known as Shalivahana Saka to celebrate his victory against Vikramaditya of Vijayini in the year 78. Over time, the word Shaka became generic and came to be mean an era. The era thus came to be known as Shalivahana Shaka. Vikram Samvat, are also known as Vikrami calendar, is the historical Hindu calendar in the Indian subcontinent. It is used in several states. The Parsi community in India uses the Shahanshahi era. Now we are going to learn about historical periods. History is a science that tells us about events that happened in the past. In a broad sense, the period of history goes back to the time of the birth of our solar system. Our solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago Our Earth is a planet in the solar system. So it is presumed that the Earth was also formed 4.5 billion years ago. The span of 4.5 billion years since the Earth's formation is a vast period of time. It is not easy to grasp this entire period all at once. So it is divided into a number of stages in order to understand in a better manner. The time in history is divided into two main periods: prehistoric period, historic period. Prehistoric period. Prehistory simply means before history. The prehistoric period is a period for which no written records are available by which to write its history. Historic period. The historic period is a period for which written records are available using which we can write history. If you like this video,
Okay, students. So everybody understood about the topic? Yes? Put a Y if everybody understood. Okay. So students, can anybody tell me time in history, how the historical periods are divided? Yes, how the historical periods are divided? Who will tell me? We have just now seen that how the historical periods are divided. Into which two ways the historical periods are divided? Which are the two periods in the historical periods are divided? Prehistoric and yes, prehistorical period and historical period. Yes, very good. Now, what do you mean by prehistorical period? What is prehistorical period means? It means before history, and before history there was no written records were available. In prehistorical periods, no written records were available, whereas in historical periods all the written records were available. Okay, so that was the thing. Yes, it was before history. Very good, Yuan. So this was about the chapter we have learned before. Now we are going to start with the new chapter. Okay, we will be starting with the new chapter, and you have to tell me something about the chapter before we start. Okay, I will tell you about the name of that chapter and you have to tell me about that chapter. It is chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Life on Earth. Okay, we are going to study about this chapter today. So students, before I start with the chapter, you have to tell me something about Earth. Okay, who will tell me about Earth? अर्थ के बारे में कोई बता सकता है मुझे? Anything, whatever you know about Earth, you have to tell me.
Student, you can write an answer in chat box.
Yes, you can
You
write
can
your
write
answer
answer
in chat
box.
box. Before starting this chapter, it was already said in that video about the Earth. Yes, so you have to tell me something about the Earth. Whatever you know about the Earth. Earth is round shape. Okay. Earth has gravity. Okay. Earth in which we live. Okay. Something else? Anything else? We are living on Earth. Okay. Earth is like blue marble. Okay. Earth is having water. Okay. Anything else? To complete a round of solar system, it takes 365 days. Earth's revolution around the sun. In Earth, there is many water. Earth is having greenery and water. Okay, it was 32 million ago. 4 point, yes, Earth is a planet which was formed 4.5 billion ago. Okay, means it is having oxygen and life. Okay, very good. Means you are aware of Earth. Okay, you have much more idea about Earth. So we will start with the topic. Earth takes 24 hours to take one rotation. Okay, Earth is very valuable planet because it is the only planet to have life. Yes, very good. Okay, so we will start with the chapter. Okay, so because you have much more idea about the topic, so it will be more easy for you to understand. Okay, so we will start with the topic and I will show you a PPT. Carefully observe the PPT. Whatever difficulties you find through the PPT, please feel free to ask me in the chat box. Okay, then only I will come to know what difficulties you are facing. Okay, we will see the PPT first, and with the PPT only we will start the discussion of the chapter, and then we will see a video regarding this chapter. Okay, so everybody's ready? Okay, so let's start with the PPT. Okay, okay, the topic is life on earth. The subject is EVS2. The chapter is chapter 3, life on earth. So we will start with the highlights of the topic first. The points that we are going to cover in this topic is the formation of the earth, beginning of life on the earth, the animal world on the earth. These are the important topics that we are going to study in this topic, life on the earth. Very first, we will see formation of the earth. Now, students, we all know that 4.5 billion years ago, earth was formed. Okay, Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago. But Earth was only the Earth. It was formed. Yes, Earth जैसे ही form हुआ था. No, it was an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in the space. Earth कैसे form हुआ था? It was of very enormous cloud. एक बड़ा सा cloud था with very hot gases and dust. जो dust particles से और hot gases से बना हुआ था. Yes, all this was revolving, spinning around with a great speed in the space. It was in a circular motion, and great speed caused it to divide into several portions. Yes. Now what happened when it was moving in the circular motion with a great speed? It was divided into several portions. When this dust particles, the hot gases, the enormous cloud was spinning in high speed, what happened? It was divided into several portions, creating the sun and other planets which revolve around the sun. Means it started creating a sun. उन्होंने sun भी बनाया और other planets, दूसरे planets भी तैयार हो गए थे जो sun के साथ rotate कर sun के आगे पीछे घूम रहे थे. वो planets भी इसके वजह से तैयार हो गए थे. Now what are the 9 planets that was created during this motion? The 9 planets that was created during this motion was our 9 planets, that is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. But now Pluto is not there as a planet, so we consider the Earth as our planet. Okay, the Pluto is not our planet. It has been removed from the list of the planets, so Pluto is not the planet among the 9 planets. So these 9 planets were also formed because of all the dust particles, the hot gases, and the enormous cloud which was moving, which was rotating in the circular motion in a speedy way. Okay. Now we will see the beginning of life on the earth. Means how did the life started to begin on the earth. Means life earth के ऊपर कैसे start हुआ. We will see that. The earth is the only planet where life exists. अर्थ एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है जिसपे लाइफ है. दूसरा कोई प्लैनेट नहीं है जिसके ऊपर लाइफ तैयार होता है. यस, देयर इज नो अदर प्लैनेट वेयर द लाइफ exists. So the earth is the only planet where the life exists. Students, have you ever seen the life on the sun, the life on the Mercury, the life on the Saturn? Yes, have you ever seen different types of species of animals, birds, insects, or plants on the on Sun or on the Saturn, Uranus, on other planets? No, there are no other life present on these planets. So the Earth is only planet where the life exists. Whatever the things are born, whatever the things are created, whatever the environment and the surrounding is made is only on the Earth, and if there is no other planet where the life exists. So the most important point is Earth is the only planet where life exists. Next one, Earth is a terrestrial planet with an atmosphere. We all know that Earth is made up of the atmosphere, yes, and various gases. There are various gases present on the Earth, and that makes our atmosphere. Now, Earth has a moon. Yes, the moon is present on the Earth, and there is no other planet where the moon is present. Yes, so the Earth is the only planet where the moon is present. It took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and water bodies to form. Now students, it was not like that कि जैसे अर्थ तैयार हुआ तो फटाफट उसके ऊपर लाइफ बनना स्टार्ट हुआ. नहीं, it took about 80 crore years it took for the surface to cool down. जो hot gases थे जिसकी वजह से वो अर्थ तैयार हो रहा था, अदर प्लैनेट्स तैयार हो रहे थे, उसको कूल करने के लिए, उसको सेटल होने के लिए 80 crore years का टाइम लगा था. And after that, when it was cooled down, when everything was settled down, the water bodies started to form. The life began to form on the earth. Slowly, the life started to begin on the earth. Various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appeared in water. They were known as the protozoa. As we all know that the water was the first thing to form on the earth. Yes, water was the first thing to be formed on the earth. Now in that earth, the very first thing the scientists observed was the unicellular and organisms. Now what do you mean by unicellular organisms? Means with only one cell. The organism was formed with only one cell, and that was the protozoa. Now you can see the green color image. It was the first life that was formed in the water. ये पहला यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म था जो पानी के अंदर साइंटिस्ट को मिला था. Okay, it was the first unicellular organism that was found in the water. They cannot be seen with the naked eyes. We need a microscope to see them. Now this organism was so minute, this organism was so small, so tiny that they cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Naked eyes means हमारे आंखों से वो दिखता नहीं था. और उसको देखने के लिए what did the scientists do? They started using the microscope. Yes, they started using the microscope to observe the species of that protozoa. So this was the first species which was found in the water. The first life in the water took place was the amoeba and the protozoa, which cannot be seen with the naked eyes, and the scientists took the help of the microscope to observe this unicellular organisms because they were so minute, so tiny, so small that they were not visible with our naked eyes. Okay. Now we will see about the animal world on the earth. Okay, animal world means what? Now even there are plant life is there. As we all know that the earth is made, the earth is the composition of our environment. Our environment, our surrounding is all composed on the earth itself. And there are various species of plants, various species of animals. Yes, we all human beings, birds live and settle on the earth. As we are the part of the earth, as we are the part of the environment, we are the part of the surrounding, we all settle on the earth itself. Like that only, the animal also settle on the earth. Yes, there is no other planet where the animals can settle. ऐसा कोई planet है जहाँ पे animals settle होते हैं, जहाँ पे plants settle होते हैं, जहाँ पे हम इंसान settle होते हैं? Yes, no, there is no other planet where the life exists, as I told you. So the living world on the earth consists of the plants and animals. Now we will see how does this animal world is on the earth. Okay, as we all know that the animals are the part of the environment and the surrounding. Yes, and the earth is the home for the animals. Now what are the characteristics of these animals? We all know, but we will study it. Okay, the animals can breathe. Yes, like they are coming in the living things, they are coming in the category of living things. Obviously the animals breathe. They move from one place to other place in order to get food or for other purposes. When it is coming in the category of living things, when they are hungry, when they need something, when they need shelter to protect themselves, what does the animals do? They move from one place to another. If something is going to happen, if something is harming them, will they remain at one place? No, they will move from one place to another to protect themselves. If they are hungry, will they remain for one place? No, they will move from one place to another in search of the food. Yes. Now like that only, animals give birth to their young ones. Yes, the animals give birth to the young ones. Now in the image you can see there is a sheep and a baby of the sheep. Yes, so this animal reproduce the babies, they give birth to the young one. So this was about the topic. Yes, this was about the topic that we have learned. So everybody understood about the topic, students? Yes, everybody understood about the topic. Put a yes. Put a yes in a chat box. Everyone, if you understood the topic, put a yes in the chat box. So we will discuss this topic more. Okay. Okay, so everybody has understood the topic. So now you tell me the things that we have discussed in this topic. Okay, first you have to tell me the highlights of the topic we have studied in this topic. What was the highlights of the topic? Starting में मैंने क्या बताया था? Life on the earth के बारे में हम लोग क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे? Who will tell me the highlights of the topic? What did we study in this topic? Yes, formation of the earth and what else? Why only Kanishka was there in the class and other students? Okay, Milky Way, solar system, many other are there, but they are smaller planets in Milky Way solar system, foundation of Earth, beginning of life on the Earth, okay, and formation of the Earth. One more thing was there. We have also studied about the animal. Yes, we have also seen about the animals. So tell me the name of the highlighted topic. Okay, plants was there. It was the animal world on the earth. Now, who will tell me about formation of earth, something formation of the earth? Quickly. So, we will see a video regarding this topic, okay? Formation of the earth, मैंने बताया था ना earth का formation कैसे हुआ था? What was present in that? कैसे बनाया था अर्थ, कैसे बना था? Who will tell me quickly, student? So see a video regarding this topic and it will be more easy for you to understand the topic. Okay, it took 80 crores to let the earth cool down. Okay, very good. Cloud was there, enormous cloud. And what was present in formation of the earth? Earth was formed by 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, very good. No, trees were not there. What is this, Parsuta? Protozoa. Okay, the very first animal on the earth was the protozoa. Okay, and there was planets also. Sun bhi tha. Yes, even sun was there. And what about the 9 planets? What about the 9 planets? Who will tell me the names of the 9 planets? Earth was formed because of a cloud and gases. Okay, Mercury. Yes. Only Mercury was the planet. Earth to tha, but okay, Saturn, Venus, Mars, okay, okay, Jupiter, Neptune, Pluto, Saturn, and one more. Neptune, Pluto, and one more was there, that is the Uranus. Okay, that was the 9 planets that was formed during the formation of the Earth. Okay, now beginning of the life on the Earth. Okay, beginning of the life on the Earth. उसके बारे में कुछ बताओ. लाइफ कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, अर्थ के ऊपर लाइफ कैसे डेवलप होना स्टार्ट हुआ? हाउ डिड द लाइफ स्टार्टेड टू बिगिन ऑन द अर्थ? Okay, tell me the characteristics of the animals we have studied in this topic. The animal world on the earth, what are the characteristics of the animals we have seen? What do the animals do? Okay, we have seen about the sheep, water in the earth, and you don't have to tell me the animals which was present in that thing. You have to tell me what are the characteristics of the animals. Okay, animals breathe. They give birth to the young ones. Very good, Kanishka. And one more thing was there, na, they move from one place to another in order to find food. Okay, very good. Means you have understood the topic very well. Okay, so everybody liked the topic. Put a Y quickly. Put a quick Y, everyone, if you understood the topic. So I will start with the video explanation, so it will be more easy for you to understand. Okay, and the students who didn't understood also carefully watch the video, so it will be more easy for you to understand through that video. Okay, so I will start with the video and you have to observe that video carefully, everyone.
This is the picture of. Hello dear students. Welcome to digital class. Today let's do a new chapter in EVS. Our topic is life on earth. In this topic we will learn about formation of the earth, beginning of life on the earth, the animal world on the formation of the earth. Children, what can you see? It is the picture of earth. Do you know how this earth is formed? On the basis of scientific research, it is believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, the earth was formed. How? Correct? This is a question in your mind. An enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in the space. As you can see in this picture, a very huge or a very big cloud was formed in the space. RMS means big. And spinning means moving around.
Teacher, video voice is not there.
Teacher, voice is
Kritika
not
teacher, are
coming.
you there?
Yes,
Voice
yes.
is not. No,
Just
not at all.
from the beginning only.
Just play it again.
From the
Not from the
starting only.
beginning, middle from the beginning. The middle of the video. Just play it again for the children.
So now, teacher, now it is audible. Hello.
No teacher.
Just a minute, teacher. Just a minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Question of the
Now the voice is coming.
children, what can you see? It is the picture of Earth.
Teacher, the voice is coming now.
Do you know how this Earth is formed? On the basis of scientific research,
Hello?
it is believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was found. How? Correct? This is a question in your mind. An enormous cloud of very hot gases.
Teacher, voice is coming.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, it's coming clearly.
As you can see in this picture, a very huge or a very big cloud was formed. Enormous means big, and spinning means moving around or turning around. They were moving in circular motions in great speed, and this caused them to divide into several portions, and thus the sun and the other planets were created. All these planets, as you can see in this picture, they revolve around the sun. Beginning of life on the earth. Among all the planets that we have, Earth is the only planet where life exists. It almost took 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various unicellular organisms or living organisms first appeared in water. They are known as protozoa. If you can see in this picture, this is the picture of protozoa. And multicellular organism gradually developed from these unicellular organisms. Now, multicellular. What does this mean? Multi means many and uni means single. So, all these multicellular organisms are developed from the unicellular organisms. That means single cellular organisms. The protozoa are very tiny in size and they cannot be seen with the naked eye. So we use a microscope to see them. As you can see in this picture, this is a microscope. The animal world on the earth. The world that we live in consists both of plants and animals. But in this chapter, we will learn only about animals. Animals have some characteristics. Animals breathe. Since animals are living things, they breathe. In order to get food or for any other purpose, they move from one place to another. Animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. For example, hen, crow, and so on. And animals of some other species give birth to their young ones. Examples, cow and goat. Yes, children, I hope that you have understood this chapter. You can watch it again. And now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you, students. Stay home and stay safe. Meet you soon.
So everybody understood the video? Yes, students? So still, if you have any difficulty regarding the topic, you can ask me, okay? If you have any difficulty in understanding the topic, किसको वीडियो नहीं समझ में आया है, anybody who is there who didn't understood the PPT, you can ask me, okay? You have any queries regarding the topic? सबको समझ में आया टॉपिक? सबको समझ में आया वीडियो एंड PPT? ओके. Anyone is there who didn't understand the topic? Someone is raising the hand because Saksham, what happened? You're raising your hand. Kanishka, what happened? You're raising your hand. Yes, Prathamesh, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me if you have any difficulty regarding the topic, okay? Unmute yourself, Saksham. Yes, Prince, unmute yourself. Off your webcam. Saksham, Prince, off your webcam. Yes, Prince. Purvika, unmute yourself. Students, those who are raising their hands, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the questions, okay? Abhay, unmute yourself. I want to ask you a few questions regarding the topic. Unmute yourself, Abhay. Yes, good morning, Abhay.
Yes, teacher.
You understood,
Teacher.
you understood the topic?
Yes, but how was it formed?
Hello?
Yes, teacher. I have a one question.
Okay.
I know how the earth is formed, but I don't know how the sun is formed.
How the sun is formed. You saw
Yes.
the video? You saw the PPT what I've showed?
Yes.
Yes. So it was written there when when the dust particle was there, when the hot gases was there, when that was rotating, when that was spinning in a high speed, what happened along with the sun and other 9 planets were also formed. Yes. It was
Oh,
written there.
yes.
It was also shown in the video when the hot gases, when the enormous क्लाउड was spinning. yes, जब वो घूम रहा था
Yes.
हाई स्पीड में, जब वो घूम रहा था तो सन
हाँ.
के साथ along with the sun दूसरे planets भी जो सन के आजू बाजू में घूमते हैं वो भी फॉर्म हो गए थे. yes, they were also
Yes.
started forming. It was written in the